Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily find information, whether that be words or numbers or formulas in Microsoft Excel. Now this gets really useful when you have spreadsheets with a ton of data. I have lots of spreadsheets with a lot of data. I can't show you those because they've got personal data on them. So I've got this little budget I made for a previous tutorial that you can check out if you go down to the comments and go to my playlist. But here's how you do it. What you do is you search for whatever. You can search the entire table or you can search a range. Let's do a range. Okay, we're going to search all of this in this example. And we're going to go to find and replace is what it's called. Okay, and I forget exactly where they have that. I use Google Sheets a lot more than Microsoft Excel. They're basically the same, but they're a little different. So search, find, and select right here. Click find. Okay. Oh, it's right here in front of my face. Duh. Right here. Find and select. Search that. Find. Okay. And what are we searching for? Let's say we're searching for the word personal or somebody's name. You can click find all and it will find all of them, or you can click next. Boom, there it is. See how it found it? Find all. It shows me everywhere it has the word personal, which is only one spot. You can also have it search formulas. So if I search A5, okay, it will search the formulas and see if it's in there, and it's not. Let's get a better example. So let's go to one of my formulas. I got a formula here, and F3 is one of the formulas. Maybe I want to find all the F3s in these formulas. Maybe I want to change them. Find F3. Make sure that look in formulas is selected and click next. And it will find every formula that has F3, which is that one. Find all. Just found the one. All right. Now, if I want to replace F3 with something else, I can go to replace and I can add F4. This comes in handy when writing formulas. It's called find and replace. Find all the F3s and replace it with F4s. Okay. And then I could click replace or replace all, and that would change that. That comes in really handy. Let's say you had a list of names and one of the employees on the list quit working for you. You want to replace her name with whoever took her place. You can do a find and replace with that. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful in finding and searching for data within an Excel spreadsheet. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll make a custom video for you. Or if you have want to just learn more about Excel, check out the playlist of my Excel tutorials that are in the description of this video. Make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How and have a great day.